Hear me out. You've escaped the city. You're 6 kilometers out of Lamberts Bay, surrounded by dunes, fresh ocean air, and somehow you've landed in a place that feels like a Mamma Mia movie set. Welcome to Grootvlei Guest Farm. From dune suites to cozy farmhouses. Yo, this place is different. Today though, we're going to be watching me eat, and that is it. Let's get into it. Starter time. Smoked snook croquettes. Tea smoked snook, spring onions, sand-felt potatoes, and apricot tartar. First things first, squeeze the lemon like you know what you're doing.
Okay, let's begin. I'll go for my left, your right. Okay, now the sauce looks amazing, smells amazing. Some tooted, but we will find out later. Here you go.
That first bite, I had to pause.
Wow!
Smoky, slightly sweet, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. That apricot tartar brings in the subtle sweetness that just ties everything together. Now, this is the main event. Homemade beef burger.
Look at this bad boy, look at that. Wow!
150 grams of beef patty, brioche bun, bacon, mature cheddar, and triple cooked sand-felt fries.
I was told they are triple fried. Those two was enough. Even, no complaints here. It's honestly amazing. That crunch.
The patty, big, proper, protein for the butts. Juicy, well seasoned, and not overcomplicated. That mustard comes in strong, but not in a bad way. It actually lifts the whole burger.
There you go. Oh, okay. Let me try and be not. Look at that. Look at that size of that beef. All that protein for the butts. Let us take that bite. My face is messy, but I don't care. This is honestly amazing. This is a solid, good burger.
Everything works, nothing fights. Simple food done right.
Honestly, the best crunch, best flavor, best texture. The fluffiness inside, perfect. Okay, so now we got for the dessert, the best time. Sometimes, you know, some people actually have dessert before the main meal because, you know, just have a sweet tooth. So, we're gonna have to remove this beautiful little decor. Cute, man. Anyways, let's have this. We're gonna break this in half for the money shot. We're gonna do it for you guys. Don't get too excited, but I'll do it for you guys. Because, oh.
Dessert, Malva Canelle. Malva pudding baked to perfection with that thick, creamy custard just soaking into it. This is pure nostalgia, like Sunday lunch at home, but upgraded. Soft, warm, sweet, but not overpowering. That custard, another yaw, nice, thick double C consistency. This one doesn't miss.
Honestly, the whole meal experience here, amazing view, nice and quiet, peaceful. And the best way to end of the day with a beautiful dessert, like marble pudding.
Grootvlei isn't just about the food. It's a whole experience. The quiet, the scenery, the feeling of just slowing down for a bit. And then adding food like this, yeah, you're winning. And that's TNA Eats at Grootvlei Guest Farm. Good food, good vibes, and a proper West Coast escape. Cheerio.